What up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, it's PlayStation Portal time. Let's get into it. Yes, the PlayStation Portal, the one device I have held off on buying. Why? Because it was so janky on launch. However, there's been several updates, including Sony updating it this week to where you can now stream some PS5 games from Sony servers directly without having to use your PS5. And so I was like, you know what? After watching Beat 'em Ups and Wolf Den and a bunch of other people, I decided, all right, I'll cave, Sony. I'll buy your $200 controller with a screen on it. So here it would be. It slid through the slipcover thing. Okay, that's weird. I was like, no. I clearly opened it backwards. So anyway, here's what it looks like, or the box that it comes in looks like. And I'm just gonna lift the box up. And it looks like it's facing, I was facing up, I thought it was facing down. What a weird thing. I've never held one of these or actually seen one in person. I've only seen them on YouTube. So this is my first time actually holding this thing. They really did just slice a PlayStation controller in half and shove a screen in the middle, didn't they? That's actually pretty cool. Holding it is way different than just seeing it online, as I once again put it online for you to see. But wow, I gotta say it's definitely quality. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what else we get in the box as I hold it like a gun. We've got a manual. Okay, and here's looks like a cable. Yeah, it's a cable in the box. I have my hand full, so it's hard to open with one hand. Anyway, set that aside real quick. I'm going to power it on. I don't think it's OLED. I think it's just LCD. Is that not the power button, or is this the power button? Okay, that is the power button, so it might be dead. There it is. Ugh, yeah, it's LCD. You can see. Yeah, you can just tell. Look at the angle. It's LCD. OLED, it would not look washed out like it does. I mean, it's still a high quality looking screen. It's definitely LCD. Probably to keep costs down. Yeah, you can see that ghosting light effect. Still though, pretty cool. Ooh, it lights up. Controller lights up. Got speakers. Clean looking screen. Networks found. Okay, found my network. Okay, there's a software update. Agree. Confirm. And yes, I already did buy a case for it, and it is already here. Got it off Amazon same day. Shipping, which is nice. Set the headset off to the side for now. Decent sounding speakers. It really feels good. It's on par with how the Steam Deck feels, actually. That's actually quite nice. I guess my only question is, games that need the touchpad, how do you just touch it? It's touchscreen. Do you just touch the screen? I don't know. I'm not sure. I would assume maybe. That's as loud as it gets. Not bad. Set starter music. It's still installing. 34% software update. 95%, almost done. All right, it is now restarting. And yeah, just cut off like that. Okay, so it's gonna install the update. There I am, signed right in. Confirm, continue. Pair PS5. I have a both PS5s here. I think I'm gonna use the fat PS5. Turn on your PS5. I'm glad I picked that one. That's the one I use to stream with. Okay. So we're gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna capture it with the magic of OBS. There it is. All right. And it says from home screen, go to settings. Oh, I went too far. In fact, let me do this. Settings, system, remote play. Okay. Now it says go to settings, system, power saving. Turn on, stay connected to the internet. Okay. And we'll turn on PS5 from network. Okay. Continue. Edit. Is that easy? Okay. Cloud streaming. Next. That's what the update was, by the way. That's so cool. Let me switch back. Connecting to my PS5. Here we go. Oh, I have to hit play. Okay. Look at that. There's my PS5. That's so cool. And sure enough, I'm controlling it. That's wild. All right, that's it. That's it for the unboxing portion. Sorry, that was loud. That's it for the unboxing portion. I'm gonna go ahead and obviously get footage of me playing it with a camera in front of me, and we'll cut to that now. So here we go. Okay, so this is the actual test, guys. Let's do this. So I've already tried at home with the Portal on Wi-Fi, and obviously works fine. But the real test is 10 miles away at my mom's apartment. Can I play my PS5 games? There's only one way to find out if I can do that from here. I'm very interested to see if I can indeed do that. All right, so before I do anything, I do need to connect to my mom's Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Chat, please note that somebody's Wi-Fi in the building's name is Pound Town. So I want to preface two things. One, I have Google Fiber, 2 gig up down at home. Second, my mom has Google Fiber, 1 gig up down here. We are 10 miles away from each other. Can I connect to my PS5 successfully from home? Or at home from here at my mom's apartment? Granted, this will probably take a few minutes to do, but I'm very curious. And if so, we will try out Cyberpunk. Look at that. Took maybe a minute. Again, your mileage will vary. My PS5 at home, successfully connected. All right, let's go into Fortnite. And then we'll try Cyberpunk. I just want to see what's in the store in Fortnite. Santa's Shack, really? That's funny. You know what I'm waiting for, don't you? They're announcing Cyberpunk skins, or it's leaked, and I think it comes out tomorrow. Ooh, the Lamborghini Urus is out. That was also rumored. I will probably buy that. That's cool. We'll play a round of zero build just to see, and then we'll switch to Cyberpunk and see how that performs. Because this one is still on Fortnite servers, obviously, so I want to see how it streams not only from the PS5 at home, but the Fortnite servers all over Wi-Fi 10 miles away. Alright, a little bit of stuttering, but again, that's also because the game just loaded in. That's typical even when I'm playing on the PS5 directly at home. So I'm not going to judge that yet. Alright, there's some stuttering with me doing that. Also looks a little blurry, but not anything like game breaking so far. It's about a half a second delay. Not ideal, but not a deal breaker. I think I'm very picky when it comes to Fortnite, I will say. And I think playing this away from home over Wi-Fi, that's not the same as what I have at home. This would probably be a game I would just wait to play until I got home. Let's see when I go and shoot this dude. Okay, I did hit him, so. And it felt pretty instant. But there's a little bit of stutter. Okay. No problems there. Alright, that's a skill issue. Alright, that's fine. Let's try. Let's go home. We'll try Cyberpunk, see how that does. This would be more of a test in terms of just a game that requires, a bit of demand from the console itself. So, and keep in mind, this is running purely off the PS5 at home. The Portal serves as a Wi-Fi display with controls. That's really all the Portal is, which is pretty cool. Continue. Love this game, as you all know. You can tell it's LCD screen. Boy, you can tell.
So then, did you all hear about that Arasaka aircraft carrier docked in Night City?
Oh, we getting some stutters for sure. I'm getting nearly a 1 second delay. Input delay, I should say. You see that? It takes a second to turn, and then when it does, it goes fast. Like it's trying to catch up. Yes, I did that on purpose. I'm trying to see. Yeah, we're getting some frame stuttering. We're getting some audio stuttering. Honestly, guys, I think Fortnite performed better than Cyberpunk did. And this is Cyberpunk with all the updates. So I think combination of the Wi-Fi distance from my PS5 and the strength of my mom's Google Fiber, which is not the same as mine. I think both of those may play a part.
Oye, despacio.
All right, let's. Yeah, that's definite 1 second, almost 2 second delay. And it's affecting the aim as well, because it's making me over aim and then under aim because it's so much of a delay. Yeah, yeah. Actually, making me kind of motion sickness. making me have kind of motion sickness because of the delay. Not horrible, not ideal. I had a better experience with Cyberpunk on the Steam Deck, which is actually installed on the Steam Deck. So, I think Fortnite did better than Cyberpunk on the Portal. Now, at home, when I'm on the same network as my PS5 on Cyberpunk, it does fine. I did that test already. I should have filmed that, but I didn't. But yeah, but 10 miles away, it's about a second to almost 2 seconds of lag, of input lag, and then stuttering of both video and audio. So, I mean, it is what it is. You are asking a lot when it comes to playing this game that far away. So there you go. Just a quick demo. I am very happy with my purchase. I just know that I will not be playing Cyberpunk on the Portal when I'm not at home. However, I will be playing it on the Steam Deck when I'm not at home because I already do that anyway and it's no problem. So there you go. That's pretty much it, guys. Not really a review video, just more of an unboxing and setup and a little test. Thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.